Hi beauties, my name is Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I discuss everything fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Today, we're starting a new summer series, and let me know, we're gonna keep going with it. You're gonna love this. So it's a summer series, a summer style series on building our summer wardrobes, getting the best wardrobe, and doing what we do best. Now, I'm part of the problem here. Let me sit down. I'm part of the problem here because I'm like, all right, like I want to shop for some summer basics. I want to get this for summer. You guys know I was out shopping the last few weeks for my birthday dress, which I still have not found. I have literally, how long do I have? I have about like 10 days to find a dress, but that's another story. I'm like, oh yeah, we shop for dresses. The past video, we shop for dresses, and I have no idea what I kind of want my summer vibe or my, not summer style, like style is style, but I was like, what's my summer vibe? Like what are gonna be like my kind of pieces that are gonna be key? Where are my summer basics? And I have no information. And I was like, I have no information for myself. I haven't even posted a lot of get ready with me's for work because I've been struggling with work stuff, because literally I'm pulling out junk. I have my shirts in the drawer, like this shirt, which I love, is a crop top from H&M, but I have this shirt in my bottom top drawer, but I have like wool turtlenecks. It's getting hot. Like I haven't decluttered, so I haven't decluttered to get rid of stuff. I haven't changed over my winter to, you know, spring summer stuff officially, that I can't even tell you guys what you should be buying for summer besides the things that I see, or like what your style should be, or pieces, because I'm a mess. So the first part of this series is decluttering, changing over items from spring to summer. I know I'm not the only person who hasn't done that. In New York, the weather has been all over the place. One day we're like high 85, next, like yesterday to work, I wore my wool cargo pants, like because it was chilly. So I feel like that's another reason why I haven't changed over my wardrobe and decluttered. I think at the end of this video, I may be actually officially putting some stuff up on Poshmark. I haven't done that either. And please forgive me, because I told you guys I was gonna put like the sunnies that I had that I decluttered on there, and I just haven't had time. So I'm gonna do that. But you know, changing over my closet, getting rid of some things, and switching things out, that's what we're going to do today. Because that's the first step in anything. You can't know what you need if you haven't looked through the mess. So I'm gonna show you guys the mess. I am not proud of my closet. I like to say I'm organized, but I'm busy. I'm so busy. My closet is a hot mess. So there's sweaters, there's shoes in the bottom, there's jeans, there's sweaters. It's a mess. So we need to declutter. First off, switch our wardrobe over. I'll show you what some things I plan to get rid of if I sell and put that on my Poshmark. And we can find the holes in our wardrobe so we can see what we need to buy. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you the closet. All right, so mind you, we're cleaning up random robes and stuff over here. So my closet is a mirror double face closet. I have an extra bedroom where I can store things in, but this is like mainly where I go into my closet to get dressed, plus some other things that I have on this rack. I put things on that rack because there are things that need to go away as well, and some other things I have for storage inside the IKEA pack system, which I'm sure I probably won't organize today. But let's get to the main thing, which is the closet. Now, the closet's a mess. We're not judging, because this is just after an awful week. I have jackets in here, and my jackets really belong look at this. The jackets really belong on the other side where my coats are, in another closet I have in the hallway. So we have this, which is hot mess. We're gonna fix this up because I'm not proud, but I'm human, so I'm just being transparent. I'm lucky I have great style, because I don't know how the hell I've been getting dressed, because it's been a mess. I am not proud. And then the other side, which is kind of the same thing. Look at all these pants. I just have a lot of organizing to do. Usually this is more organized because I have the bins on top, but it's not good. It's not good. It's not good. It's not good at all. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna I'll probably fast forward through a lot of me just going through everything of what I'm gonna keep, and like what I'm gonna keep, what I'm gonna get rid of. But we have to organize this better, because this is just a problem. And then of course, like sliding down to my room, of course I have drawers and things like that where I have more of my basic tops, which we'll go through later. I already know what's in these. These are pretty organized. Obviously that's more intimate stuff, but here, down here is where I keep, like, these two drawers I keep my basic stuff. Like I keep my t-shirts. Like the top I have on right now, I keep t-shirts like this in there, and then the bottom I have like basic tops where I have like turtlenecks, shirts, the shirts that I reach for with pants and trousers, and I have like merino wool turtlenecks in there, so those need to come out. So let's just get to the meat of the closet and organizing and decluttering this mess of a closet. Guys, this is absolutely hilarious. This off-white belt I remember getting years ago from like this vintage store, and I could not find it. I was like, is this a thing? Like, is this vintage tea? Should I sell this? Because I was like, oh my god, remember this was like a thing, and it's huge. Look how long it is. But I was like, I saw somebody style it like a street style, and I was like, I had this. Look at this, a shame. Allen Iverson is my favorite basketball player, and I will not be getting rid of this. So I'm doing like half the closet now, and it looks like a lot better. What I've come to realize by doing this is that I hang on to a lot of things that I just don't need. Like, there are pants that I have, like those Zara pants that I love, these that I had got in like every freaking color, that I don't reach for them because they're a medium. And sometimes like with these pants, because the way they fit, like they fit really, really tight, and then like I don't wear them to work anymore because every time I wear them I'm uncomfortable. So that kind of is like a note, like if you are uncomfortable in your clothing and you're hanging it onto it because if you lose an inch or two it might get more comfortable, just get rid of it because you end up not reaching for it. And I love these pants, nothing is wrong with them, but if they're not comfortable I'm not gonna wear them, you know. So just making room and just organizing a little bit better. My pants, like jeans and trousers and pants that I like, and just trying to focus on keeping the things that I love. Like, yes, these pants are great and they fit, but I don't wear them. So yeah, and just organizing a little bit better. You guys see like how many like white button-up tops I have, because this is like a great basic that I really just love to have, and I have different types. This is a dress. I need to get rid of this. This is like something that this is a 6 from Nasty Gal, but this doesn't fit right, so it's time to let this go. But other button-down shirts that I love, that is a great basic. But like this dress was like tight when I had it, so again, nothing's wrong with it, but it probably should go. And then just organizing my bags a lot better. I feel like I don't make use of my IKEA pack system the best. Of course, I don't have the whole thing just due to limited space. So just trying to go up there because I know there's some bags up there that I don't wear. So I need to like look at that too and make that a little bit more organized to put the bags that I have. But being that I kind of use my IKEA for like display of like pictures and things that I like that mean something to me, when I have bags, I don't really have anywhere to put them. Apartment living is so hard sometimes. I'm just like, I can't wait to get a house one day. I'm so grateful for my apartment, but like a house where I could have my room. I'm speaking to existence now. My room where I could have my bag shelf so I can see my bags, because like you get some stuff and it's really hard to store things. I gotta figure that out. Store it in a way that you can still see it, but storing it in a way where it's not forgotten about. That's my challenge right now. So we're almost done. We're moving along pretty quickly because I find that since if I do this every season, when I do it, it won't be so daunting, you know? And like there's certain things, am I the only one who holds on to like clothing items for like memory's sake? So I think on my, I don't know if I was 21, but like when I was 21, I think I had like a little birthday get together. Was it 21? And there was like this Topshop jumpsuit. This thing, I'll never be able to fit into this again. This was a size, I don't know, it's very small, but it just reminds me of that time. So when I look at it, I remember like my 21st birthday, and like it's so Miami. I wish it was loose because I will wear this today. It's so freaking cute. It's like, it gives such a Miami vibe, and I just won't get rid of it because it's so cute, and I just want to have it for memories. Maybe I'm not the only one. So let's continue. I'm getting through. I probably should be done in like an hour, so it won't be so bad because I'm just gonna be taking turtlenecks, switching them out, and just kind of doing that. But I already feel so much better about my closet already, and it looks so much better already. So we gotta just get to the other side, switch some things out, and let's keep it going. So we're like halfway done. It doesn't look that way. Sorry, the light is crazy. It doesn't look that way. I have a lot on my bed that I just have to do. I actually was looking at stuff and that I have, like, I showed you guys, like, I have like random shoes that I just don't wear that I possibly might put on Poshmark. I might just get rid of because these are really cheap. But just things I don't wear. Like you guys saw those orange. Remember that year, like the Valentino dupes that I got from Ego? Don't wear those. And like the Steve Madden mesh pumps, those were a time, but again, oh, the light. Those were a time, but again, there was a time and a place for those, so those might go away too. So I'm gonna just finish up. Not show you guys the boring stuff, but I'm gonna have a lot of things to get rid of, which is really great, and I feel much better. I think I'm gonna be excited about getting dressed. So far, what I'm noticing, like in my wardrobe, what I'm noticing, like after just kind of looking, is like getting a lot more basics. So that'll probably be the next video, shopping for more basics. Summer stuff I have the outfits, I have the jeans, I have the bottoms. It's just like looking for like a lot more basic tops, because the tops I have, I'm like, I don't know how this is gonna fit, but that's really it. So just that. So closet's not perfect, but I did the best I can, but it's much better and organized to a better way for me, with like shirts and dresses and jackets on this side, which looks so much better than before. We're still working on this area, but the decluttering definitely helped. I definitely realized like through this that I really need some basics, like some basic tops. This I'm still working on. I gotta fix these hangers. I really want the hangers to be all black, but I just wanted to color code, this is the other side of the closet, color code the jeans a little bit more. But again, a definite improvement from earlier today. And finding, if you guys have tips on how you guys organize your handbags that you don't necessarily have a display, please let me know. But let me straighten this out, this is bothering me. So, got all the pants here. So yeah, guys, it's like 8 o'clock at night. So I hope you guys enjoyed decluttering with me. I thought it was definitely helpful to really see what I didn't have to get, well, actually in the living room, I'll show you guys, I have about like 4 bags to get rid of. A lot of them I'm not selling, it's just old and just not good. I need to get rid of it. So I'll donate it to Goodwill. But doing this was very helpful because now I know what I need. So we're gonna definitely work on getting some basic tops. A lot of basics for summer. I feel like I got the core essentials. Maybe a few dresses, like 2 dresses. I would love a white drop waist dress because I'm missing that, and some basic tops, like a few t-shirts. You know, I love my Uniqlo t-shirts. Some good, what other basics do I need? Tanks, things like that. So we'll shop for that next time, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna update my Poshmark and I'll link that down below. Thank you guys for watching. Be safe and be well. Bye.